Hello friends, welcome to my channel Your Medical Dost. Today we will see the benefits of Yog Mudra Indra Mudra, which is used to cure our skin disease, also used to make our skin shine and make our skin smooth and soft. So at the age of 50 or above 50, 55 or 60 years, your skin looks like younger and also fresh, and also it becomes wrinkle free. So I will tell you mudra from the book. This is I have. It is a Hindi edition, Mudra Chikitsa, which is written by one sannyasi from the Oshodhara, our dear favorite Bhagwan, dear Rajneesh Osho, his sannyasi, his disciples, which is his name is Samarth Guru Siddharth Alya. This book is written by them, and from them I practice the Indra Mudra, and I will tell you the benefits. So first of all, we see how we practice the Indra Mudra. This is our hands and this is our little finger. Little finger represents the water elements which are present in our body, and this thumb represents fire elements in our body. The Indra Mudra makes by a tip of our little finger touch to the tip of our thumb, and this become a Indra Mudra, and you can practice it for minimum 45 hours in a day, at morning and at night, 2 times. You can do this Indra Mudra in normal position, or in Sukhasan or Padmasan, or if you are in very busy into the office and but your hands are free, you can simply put this mudra and do your work in your office or your home. So it is the main benefits of this mudra. About the yogasan, in yogasan you have to need a specific time. In that time you cannot do any other things, but while practicing a mudra you can do any other your works or jobs or any other your works too, but at the side you can also practice this mudra only by fingering attachment. Okay, and let's how see what is the benefits of this Indra Mudra. First, it makes our skin soft and smooth, so it removes the wrinkles from our faces and makes our skin so shining. And second one is it also cures our skin disease like fungal infections, itching, ringworm, because when our skin becomes dry it causes fungal infections, but this mudra increase the level of water in our body, so it helps to cure this disease. And third one is in season of hot or in summer there is just chances of diarrhea or loss of water from a body, or there is dehydrate our body. So in that case is practice this mudra and you will retain water in your body and maintain water level into your body. If you are any places like forest or desert, there is no water you can find or found very less amount of water, you can practice Indra Mudra and make your water level into the body. Now fourth one is it helps in kidney disease, and it also helps in excessive urination. It reduces the urination. In cases of diabetes you have to go again and again urination. this also cured by this mudra. If your lips become dry and cracked, you also cure this mudra, cured by this mudra. And in cases of mouth of a taste is disturbed, like in swine flu or coronavirus, in that case you also that cured by this mudra. In cases of your eye redness or eye dryness, you can use this mudra. In one ninth is our blood has 80% of water, and water level is decreases is cholesterol increases, our blood become thick, and so it could we have a high blood pressure. So by practicing this mudra, we increase the level of water in our blood, so our blood become dilute and easily circulate into the body. So you can maintain your blood pressure by practicing this mudra. In cases of summer, you feel very coolness and also avoid excessive thirdness by practicing this mudra, and it also remove the problem of gas. And 12th is due to the lack of water, our muscles become stiff, and so cramps occur in our muscles. But by practicing this mudra, you also remove the stiffness and cramps of muscles, and it also uses to cure acne and pimples. And when you rub the tip of a little finger by the tip of your thumb, then it also cures the faint. So these are the so many benefits of practicing Indra mudra. Now what have to precautions you should precautions that you have to practice this mudra minimum 45 minutes if you have or different times in your day. When you become free or hands become free, you can practice it. And now you have two precautions that if you have any very cold, you have asthma attacks, or you have very respiratory problems, or you there are so many cold in environment, at the time you should not practice this mudra, because it increases the level of water in body, and also if you have a cold, so it becomes so high cold. So at the time you should see that point. Now when friends, this little finger will represent the amount of water, element of water in our body, and when this below point of our fingerprint, little finger is pressed with our thumb, it increases a very high level of water. So if you have a very low amount of water in your body, so you should also practice this mudra. The below point of a little finger is pressed by our thumb, tip of a thumb, or otherwise you can practice in Indra mudra for the maintaining the balance of water in your body. So friends, keep regularly doing Indra mudra, and there are so many cases in India, and so many patients now gets benefit by this practicing yoga mudra, Indra yoga mudra. And we have to be spread this mudra all over the world, so most of the people of the world become so fit and also looks young, and this is also benefits of our skins. Thank you friends, goodbye.